Hello beautiful people, in this video I'm going to show you how to make this very simple rose facial oil that will help keep your skin looking supple and glossy. So let's get started. The very first ingredient we're going to be needing is dried rose petals. Rose petals is great for smoothing and softening the skin. It helps to retain moisture in the skin. So yes, that's the first ingredient. So we're going to start by adding the rose petals into our bottle. Make sure you use a very clean bottle, cleaned and sanitized bottle. You don't want germs on your face, especially because this is a facial oil. So after adding the rose petals into the bottle, we're going to set this aside. We're going to set the rose petals aside. Then we'll begin mixing our oils to make the facial oil. The carrier oil I'll be using to make this face oil is sweet almond oil. Remember, this is a facial oil, so we don't need any oil that is too harsh, and apart from that we don't need any oil that will clog the pores. So we need non-comedogenic oils, that is oils that will not clog the pores, and sweet almond oil is one of those. I'm making a 100 ml batch size, and the sweet almond oil is going to take 94 ml. So I'm going to measure out my sweet almond oil to be 94 ml. If you're finding this video helpful, please make sure you like, you comment and subscribe if you haven't. The next oil I'll be using is rosehip oil. Rosehip oil is rich in vitamin C, vitamin A and vitamin E. Rosehip oil can help prevent your skin from sun damage. It can also help protect the skin against free radicals. I'll be using 5 ml of the rosehip oil. The rosehip oil is going to complement the sweet almond oil. They will work hand in hand, work together to help moisturize and hydrate the facial skin. Next, we'll be adding tea tree essential oil. Tea tree essential oil has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial property. Tea tree essential oil can help fight redness, it can help fight inflammations, and it can help fight bacteria on the face. So I'll be adding in 0.5 ml of the tea tree essential oil, and I also added in 0.5 ml of vitamin E oil, which is an antioxidant. The full recipe will be in the description box, so make sure you check it out. So now it's time to mix the oils together until they are well combined. We don't want the oils separated. We need the oils well combined so that they can work together and achieve what we want it to achieve on the face. So as you can see, it is well combined now. This oil will hydrate the face, fight bacteria, keep the face moisturized, and also you can use it like this just in case you don't have the rose petals. So now it's time to put the oil inside the rose petals into our bottle. Do that gently, you don't want to spill so much oil. Also, if you're making a very tiny batch, you can just add the oils directly into the rose petals. There's no need mixing it in a separate jar. And that's it, our facial oil is ready. This oil will help moisturize the face, help hydrate the face, help give the face that really soft and supple feel. And this oil is amazing, you should try it. If you watched this video till this point, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you learned something new, and I hope you'll be trying out this facial oil recipe. If you learned something new and you found this helpful, please make sure you like this video, drop a comment, subscribe for more videos like this.